Hi, hello. We will be looking for the analysis of crude oil for 11th July, that is for Tuesday. Uh, this is a natural gas on time frame. So if we can see here, we had a breakout region. It break out, then it retested it multiple times. It holded for the in the breakout region for multiple times. It break down, and yesterday we had a big gap up and price moved higher. So from here two things can happen: either we can get a higher high, so this now from here either price could come down, or it could go up, come back down and move up. So we have two possibilities. So to convert this into our today's strategy, these two highs, this day's high is 2290, 222.90. This day's high also is 222.90. So about 223 we will look for a bullish positions. We'll find any setup for bullish only. So below that point we'll be looking for uh, downside move. If we go for in 15 minutes, even in 30 minutes, we have a resistance here. It has been tested multiple times. So today if we get a gap up around here and waits for some time and breaks this level, we will buy after 22.80 small quantity. If it breaks 23, we will add on the quantity. Our first target would be around 27.80, but this target will not be a fast move. It might be a slow movement like this one. Slowly it might go come down. So that is the one possibility. uh, if we get a gap down, we will be looking for selling opportunities only below this point, 217.9. Below this one we will look for selling opportunities only. Inside this one we will ignore the trade or avoid taking trades inside this one. As we can see, we have a huge volatility between this 2 points. So in this point it is slowly moving higher then coming down, so we will avoid this point, rather trade below 218. If you want even more comfort, you can trade below 215 also. Or else if it is a gap down, uh, or if it opens flat for the first half, you can ignore the trade. The second half, whichever side it is breaking up, you can take a trade on that side. If we go for crude oil in daily time frame, we have this breakout. We had last week continuously for 4 days we had a green candle. Now it has made a bearish candle, but let it trade below this. Even now it is still in the positive zone only. It is in the higher point of this particular range. So if it holds here for 1 or 2 days, or uh, holds here for 1 or 2 days and breaks out, we might expect a target of 6,276. So if we get a flat or slightly gap up, we can expect a green candle here. For this also, in if you can see in 15 minutes, this is a resistance. It broke out, took support, and then at last it broke down of this resistance. So above this level we will look for a bullish trade. Below that uh, we will try to avoid, because we are not looking at a selling even in the daily. So we will try to align with the daily time frame and look for bullish positions only. So if we get a gap up above this one only in the morning, we can take small quantities. uh, we might get a target of somewhere around 6127 to 150. If this breaks out, so in the morning it might move slowly above and over here, and by afternoon or evening it might break 6127 and close above previous day high. That is for gap up. If it is a flat opening, we will avoid it for morning. If it comes down also, there are multiple supports, so we don't know from which it might return. So in weekly also it is looking bullish only. This might be the low of this weekend. Again it might start moving higher and close above this level. So we are not looking for a bearish position yet. uh, so we'll look for bullish opportunities only. If it is a gap down, or even if it is a gap down, we can try one at 500 5918, but with very small quantity. uh, if it is a flat opening, we have this round number of 6000, so around this it might turn around, but we cannot expect a fast move, so that in the first half only. So if we want, we can leave the first half. Or if you want to trade, if it is a flat opening, if it breaks 6000 and again comes back above 6000, we can take a bullish trade, keeping the SL of that particular candle's low in 5 minutes. So that's it. If we are in crude oil, we are looking for a bullish pattern, or we are looking to buy only. In natural gas, it is both buy and sell. Above 22.223 we are looking for bullish. Below that we are looking for bearish positions. Thank you.